I'm Tony Hughes and I'm co-author of the book TQ, Superhuman Sales Skills, being published by HarperCollins in mid-2021. What is TQ? Well, TQ is technical quotient, and we all know that you need high IQ to be successful in life. If you're in a role that interacts with other people, which is most roles, you need EQ, emotional quotient, emotional intelligence, understanding yourself and others in how that you interact, being able to manage your weaknesses and play to your strengths. So EQ and IQ are very important. But I believe for everybody today, in the fourth industrial revolution that we're in right now, where automation, technology platforms, and artificial intelligence, AI, is making all of the difference with jobs going away, that we need to embrace the thing we fear the most, which is technology, to make sure that we have a prosperous future. So if you've got strong TQ, you will understand how to harness the power of technology and platforms to enhance your own efforts and accelerate success. Examples for salespeople, if you look at the top of funnel part of what they do, is they need to be masterfully good in how they use tools such as LinkedIn Sales Navigator. They need to know how to create, for example, a Boolean search. They need to know how to use automation tools for driving high levels of outbound to create inbound opportunity pipeline for them. Salespeople today need to be orchestrators of tools for top of funnel. If you think about the fact that buyers today expect us to truly know them when we engage them, and we have to have a strong ability to do pragmatic research. That means being able to use tools, sales intelligence tools, that tell us important things about organizations. What technologies do those organizations use? What trigger events have occurred in their world that give us context for the outreach that we're going to run? You can automate almost all of those processes if you have high TQ. Really important. If you then move to the phase of selling where we're seeking to manage the opportunity and win the deal, we need to use things like our own CRM system well. It just staggers me how many salespeople that I've worked with where I'll say to them, look, show me how you use Sales Navigator. Show me the saved searches with accounts and leads that you're using to monitor for trigger events, role-based changes in those organizations. Show me how you would use Sales Navigator if you were going to a new city to find a dozen people to have appointments with, and they just really struggle. Most people fumble with their own CRM system. They don't know how to create their own dashboards and reports or leverage the power of CRM in either new business development or for account management. So everybody needs TQ today. Become a cyborg. Learn how to bring technology into all of the roles that you execute. Here's the thing. Technology is really good at dealing with huge amounts of big data. It's excellent at sifting through the noise and finding signals for looking for patterns. It's excellent at making recommendations. Technology is excellent at identifying trigger events that are so important for salespeople. So use technology for automating repetitive tasks and all of those other things. But then blend with that the strong human elements of creativity. You know, the ability for people to be creative and innovate, to build genuine emotional connection with the people that they're seeking to engage with, to navigate complexity and politics in an organization. A bot will never be able to do those things. To help someone with their business case inside an organization is critically important today for helping them get approval to buy from you. All of these things are truly human. If you can help them identify risks, have genuine empathy rather than fake empathy, they're the things that make the difference. So leverage human strengths, harness the power of technology and automation. That's in essence what having high TQ is all about.